Hi guys, welcome to this review of Rise of the Drones 2. This one's a really good one. I want to tell you a bit about it, but I'm going to start off and just tell you what my bonuses are for this because I think it's really cool. Here it is in a nutshell. If you purchase Rise of the Drones 2 through my link, you'll find the link below. If you're watching on YouTube, you'll find the link below, so you click on that. There'll be a video at the top and then my affiliate link. If you go through my affiliate link and purchase this, I'm actually going to give you a free PLR drone site, a 10-page PLR drone site that's created, brand new content, not rehashed content. It will be PLR because everyone's going to get the same site, but what I'm also going to give you is a complete video guide on how to dominate the racing drone niche. So they're my bonuses for you. You get a 10-page drone site set up exactly how I teach. I'm going to give you a video guide on not just how to dominate the racing drone niche, which products to promote, which keywords to do or work on, how to rank even if there's competition. I'm going to give you a video guide on that, but you're also getting the site and I'm going to show you how to edit the content to make the site unique. So it's like step-by-step plan. And the reason I want to do this is I think this is a really cool niche. I think it's a really cool offer by Gaz. I'll go through it with you now. But the reason I'm including those bonuses is because I think that if you build sites the way I teach in this niche, you'll do really well. So in a nutshell, if you pair my teachings with Gaz and his drone pack, I think you'll do really well. Let me show you what you got in the drone pack, but bear in mind the bonuses are available straight away through my link. What will happen is I've set it up so you automatically get redirected to the page. So what happens is when you buy this pack from Gaz, Rise of the Drones 2, you'll go through and it will look normal. You won't no dodgy redirecting or anything like that. You'll go through to Gaz's members area, and then in WSO Pro, which is like the payment system here, I've set it up so you'll also get a bonus page through my affiliate link that you click on that link and you'll have that full guide on how to really do well in the racing drone niche, how to pick the keywords, how to compete, how to build the site up, but you will also get a 10-page site for free. Now it will be a PLR site, but it will be set up correctly, plugins set up correctly, so you can use that site, you can edit the content, and you can do really well in the drone niche. It's a full 10-page site, 10 of the top racing drones and reviews done for you, and I'm going to show you how you can edit that. So you can use it or not, you could just use Gaz's stuff, but I just think it's a really cool bonus because this is, I'll show you what Gaz has got. So here we go. So this pack, this drones pack, deals with racing drones. The drone and quadcopter niche is already a 12 billion a year industry, but it's about to explode in 2019. So if we go down here, starting at less than $50, then going up to thousands in price, there's some really nice commissions to be earned, which is true. Really good niche. GoPro cameras has always been a good one. The niche is wide open, so the niche is competitive. Okay, it's not particularly wide open in my opinion, but racing drones, I'm going to show you how to exploit that part of the niche, which isn't that hard to compete with. I'm actually going to show you that in the video and give you a free site to do exactly that. The number of drone sales within the year period of April 2017 to April 2018 has soared 124%. And there's no sign, so it's a good niche. Okay, drone racing, really good niche. It's part of the reason I wanted to promote Gaz's product, and also because I think Gaz is quite cool. I think his stuff gives you the early bird stuff, you know, like his Christmas early bird stuff, and if you take advantage of it, if you get in early and you use the stuff, it will do really well. If you don't use it, it will just be another thing. Okay, I know that's really obvious, but the way to use this and the Christmas stuff that he's got is to get in early and take advantage of it, because one of the things you get here, if I scroll down, is a ranking system that you can use. This is really cool. It's just ranking, like a Google page rank really quickly, ranking via YouTube and so on. You can definitely use that with this site you're getting, the 10-page site, and I've got a video guide that will go more in depth about how to get longer rankings that stick as well. Okay, here we go. So this is what you get. This is what excites me about this product. Not just the ranking thing, that's fairly cool, but here, top secret list of all the new drones for 2019. That's really cool. You know, you're getting a secret list that guarantees your success with these drones, and you can grab Google page one listings. Now, I'm going to explore in the video guide with you how I recommend doing this. I think the YouTube method is cool, but in all honesty with you here right now, it won't stick. Okay, you'll do the YouTube video, it will rank for a couple of days or even a week, and then it will go. I want to show you in this video guide how you can get rankings that stick and start building a site up. This is fantastic for an authority site. It's fantastic if you want to build a site and sell it on Flipper with all the new drones, because it's got huge potential. It's just a really, really good niche to be in. I wouldn't worry about competition. I get that all the time. Most people won't do anything. Okay, not because they're lazy, but if you look at it this way, okay, most people won't build a 20, 30, 40 page site. Okay, if you really go at this niche, like the clappers, you'll do really, really well. And I want to give you a 10-page site to start, and I want to give you the video guide that guides you through this and exactly what to do. So if you take action on this stuff and you use it in tandem with Gaz's stuff, I think you'll do really well, because you've got the secret list of all the new drones, so you can get in. I'm going to show you how you can find more new drones as well, okay, and get in there before anyone else. I'm going to show you how to do the keyword competition in the bonuses as well. You get 20 new 2019 drone Amazon review articles. Bear in mind, everyone will get the same articles. Does that mean they're crap? No, but it means you need to know how to rewrite them. Okay, I'm going to explore that with you in the bonuses. You also get a custom WordPress site, drone and quadcopter site. Now, you will get that. You'll get installed previous premium plugins, added the Amazon disclaimers, manually added 70 article reviews of drones, added pictures and laid out for you. Here's the thing, and this is again just being honest with you. If you just get a site like this, I don't care how much content it's got on it and everyone's got the same site, it's not going to rank and do anything for you. And I know that sounds weird, or it doesn't sound weird, but many people don't say that. What I wanted to give you the bonus for is I'm giving you a 10-page Amazon site the way I think it should be set up to rank. Now, when you get that site, I'm going to show you how to re-edit the content, how to make it unique, and by all means you could use either. I mean, there's nothing wrong with the site, but just bear in mind that all of those 70 articles, then they're not going to be unique articles because everyone's going to get the same. So this is in my opinion, even if you don't buy through my link, don't just upload a 70-page Amazon site that everyone else has and stick it on a domain, because it will be a waste of time. Okay, I suppose you could do it and use the YouTube method that Gaz gives, and that's cool. But if you want to get ranking for these racing drones, this is the way I recommend you do it. Get it through my link. Attend this training. Okay, I've got the video training for you that will guide you through. Edit the content of this 10-page site, and then or use this 70-page site, but edit everything before you send it live. Okay, make them unique. I'm going to show you exactly how to go through. It is more work, but that means that you're going to rank and get in on this niche. Okay, bit more work, but I'll show you how to do it. That's just my recommendation. You also get Rise of the Drones PLR ebook. You could give that away on your site. It's just something there you could use, or you could strip it down, rewrite some of it, and use that ebook as content for keyword articles. You also get a short report on drones and quadcopters. Another giveaway, another brilliant thing to strip down and use as content. Send in the drones ebook, same thing. Okay, something everyone needs to know about aerial vehicles, drones and quadcopters, you could strip that down. RC hobbies, that's a whole other set of keywords that you could use on the site. An ebook to give away or strip down and use as content. YouTube marketing made easy PLR ebook. That's just for you to read as a method. I think you're not really going to give that away to people interested in drones. Alternative headers plus Facebook and YouTube graphics, well, that won't go to waste, will it? Because if you start using Facebook and YouTube, you can by all means use the graphics, because it doesn't really matter if people have the same graphics. You can use that, and it will be brilliant to start a YouTube channel. I'll show you that in the training you get as well. Fast action guide. You know, nothing wrong with Gaz's stuff. Follow that if you want. I mean, my bonuses are there because I think it will really help you. I think it's something that you can really sink your teeth into, build a big site and do it properly. And you can take, this is what I recommend you do: get my bonus, use Gaz's stuff, use my stuff, use my bonuses, and do what Bruce Lee says. Take what you like, take what is valuable to you, and discard what isn't. If you like my stuff, if you like the way I sort of say to build a site, use it, or do it another way, okay? But it can't go to waste. You know what I mean. You also get access to Gaz's Mastermind Facebook group, where you get more support and so on. And yeah, you get everything. It's only available for 7 days. I've got the preview page up. So that's everything you get. The reason I'm promoting it to you is I think it's a fantastic niche. I think it's a fantastic niche to build a site both as an authority and also as a site you're going to build up and sell, and also as a site that can get some really, really quick rankings. I know that sounds weird because it's like the drones niche, but I'm going to show you in the training how to do that. So what happens now is when you buy, you will get through my affiliate link, assuming you don't have to buy through my affiliate link. If you don't buy through my affiliate link, you'll still get Gaz's stuff and it's cool. Okay, so I don't mind which one you do. My affiliate link's there. If you buy through that, you will get a 10-page Amazon affiliate site in the racing drone niche. It will be a PLR site. Everyone's going to get the same one, but I'm going to show you how to edit it. I'm going to show you how to do the plugins. I'm going to show you how to do authority articles. I'm going to show you an action plan for racing drones. I'm going to show you the best drones to start putting on the site. And the reason I'm doing that is so you can start getting rankings on the search engines and like the Google search console and so on, so you can start building the site. And I personally think it will give you a huge advantage. So you get that training today, and you also get the drone site. I'm actually having the articles written for the drone site right now, and you'll be sent to the page where you can collect both of them straight away. So I'd love to have you with me on this bonus training. Either way, it's a brilliant thing to pick up. I thought I'd recommend it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you inside for this extra training. I'm going to go and record it now and upload it now, so come and join me. I'd love to have you. Cheers for watching, guys.